Pai Maori there. Shit, my bad. Chat, I accidentally hit in stream. Fucking clown. Chiahoe. Oh my gosh. Whew. Shit, my bad, chat. Ooh, I like that sound. A quick refresh said the job. Yeah, my bad, brother, my bad. Ooh, why is that too long? That's too long. I te pō. I think we're currently live on YouTube as well. I te pō. Hope everyone is all good. Thank you very much for being here today. Thank you very much to Hefe for the biddies and Mousy Moo for the raid earlier as well. My goodness. How are we doing, fighters? Everyone all good? Okay, my bro. Bro, did I miss your stream last night? No, just getting a bit. Oh, okay, okay. Fuck, human face is gonna be hard, bro. Alrighty, that's that. So we've got the baseline for our female, thing. So what we're gonna do now we're gonna do now is add some hui. We're gonna add some hui. So the story with Hinemoa and Tutanekai, how she made her way over to Mokoia was using calabashes. Got chisel small enough for that? I think I'll be able to manage. Yeah, I should be able to manage just for what I have. I don't want to add too many calabashes in here. I'll just put 3 since 3 is our number. Or I could be smart and put one between your legs, which means less digging. What didn't I think of that before? Cheers, brother STX Lemon. Appreciate you, my brother. Oh, we finished growing some who is still got. Yeah, bro, they take ages to dry. Eh? How's your garden, my bro? Fuck, I really wanna do a garden, eh? Especially with how ridiculous food is right now. Although we've been going to New World here. We don't really go to Countdown because fuck, they just rip off. And especially after the stint in court, eh? They got taken to court. For intentionally, hiking up their prices during the lockdown. It's like, hey, stingies. Alright, I'm gonna do 1 foot there. Another one there. Going behind the hui. Yeah. Put 1 toe in front of the hui. Behind. Put this one in front. There we go. So I've got a mix of 3 hui on there, so you can obviously tell, oh, it's Hinemoa. You can tell that it's Hinemoa there. So we've got one between the legs, one there, and one there. So Hinemore used calabashes as a flotation device to get her over to Makoia. Why am I using hue? Yep, fellas. Not that deep. Yeah, I'm just using them as gift for this shit. Yo, A3 Art Lab, thank you very much for the raid, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Appreciate the aloha, man. And I hope you had a wonderful stream today as well, brother. I better say sis just in case. I'm just constantly saying brother all the time, so I do apologize if you're a sister. Hey, man. Yeah, we don't want any more than 3 on here. Hey, what up, Kate? How are you, brother? Man, I've really been enjoying Pez's Final Fantasy lore streams, eh? Bro, they have been really good. I'm really enjoying them. Hey, Nevermore? Yeah, we're gonna try and go as intricate as we can with this, learning heaps as well. I'm good just starting. Oh, true. Yeah, bro, I didn't know it went that deep with FF10, eh? That's my favorite Final Fantasy as well, so it's been really cool just to learn. Because I'm definitely, you know, not one that went into the lore side of Final Fantasy. Yo, what up, Dragon Schnoots over on YouTube? Hello from the YouTube family side. Hey, man. What's up, Beef Supreme? Yeah, I know it's it'll be relatively quiet on the YouTube side. My bad, my bad. But thank you very much for being here. Start to see now. Gotta move that sub goal, bro. There we go, so you can see. Shit, I was supposed to go and see my brother today too. See how he is. Gonna increase the size of this calabash here. So there's no tricky digging spots. Right. Just the little things you gotta watch out for, chat. Even when you're working with quite a small space. Can you see it all good? Fuck, I feel like I'm way over. Yeah. I mean, I could put more hue in. Proving very tricky, I'm not gonna lie. I don't normally draw in like small, very small carvings, but it is a good challenge nonetheless. Yo, Thunder, there's a big, if you don't know, there's a big Te Arawa Matatini happening here next weekend. If you're wondering what to get up to, all the Te Arawa teams are going to be performing again. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, my kids just want to watch Ngāti Whakairo and the auntie. Oh, got a message. Hold up. Yo, chat, do you have like annoying Facebook family chats? Oh, I straight muted that on day one. Straight mute chat. Are you based in Oz now just because you came from Vegas? It's still a beautiful place. No, I'm still in Aotearoa. I'll never live in another country. I'll feel too disconnected. Yeah, I can't really see myself living in another country permanently. As shit as it may get here, yeah, I can't. That's just me, but yeah. Got that done. What do we do here? Yo, Vicky! Hey, Vicky, thank you very much for the raid. Kia ora, hope you're doing good. Ngā mihi nui kia koe, hope you're well and looking after yourself. No mai haere mai, welcome to you and your stream. Once again, hope you had a wonderful day playing some Minecraft today. And welcome. What I'm up to today is, well, after 9 years, my wife has finally asked for a carving. So, what I'm currently doing is just marking out what we're going to carve. So, you probably can barely see it, but in the middle here we have... So, the story that I'm going to depict is the story of Hinemoa and Tutanekai. Now, it's a local story. It's similar to Romeo and Juliet, however, our version has a much better story. Okay, so we're currently we've got 2 sections to do, and we're doing a jewellery box for her wedding ring. But we're fully carving it, making it as intricate as possible. Yeah, so the story of Hinemoa and Tutanekai. I'll turn the kapaka down so we can talk about it. So Hinemoa and Tutanekai are 2 of my ancestors who grew up here in Rotorua. But it's one of the most renowned love stories within our culture. So Hinemoa and Tutanekai, they were 2 of our most renowned ancestors when it comes to the story. However, Hinemoa was a chieftainess and Tutanekai was just an average dude who lived on the island of Mokoia. So in Rotorua where I live, there's a lake called Lake Rotorua, and smack dab in the middle of that lake is an island called Mokoia, and that's where he lived. And well, he's just, he's a normie. He was a normie. And Hinemoa's father, who was the chief of the tribe, said, Ain't no way you're marrying an average Joe. And yeah, we all know how that went, you know. She said no, or he said no, she got mad. So the way they met was at a big tribal gathering in Ofata on the eastern shores of Lake Rotorua. And they instantly, you know, became infatuated with each other. But because of that social difference, their tribal difference, her dad said no. And she was not very happy about that, obviously. And so they went their separate ways that night, and she couldn't stop thinking about Tutanekai, and he couldn't stop thinking about her. So one night, Hinemoa crept down to the shores of Lake Rotorua in the hopes of looking for a canoe to travel over to the island to go and meet him. But because her father was already ahead of her, he ordered everyone to pull all the canoes right up onto dry land as far as they could. And so, obviously, being an impossible task for one person, she gave up. And every night Tutanekai would play his kōauau. A kōauau is a flute in our culture. He would play it on the shores of Mokoia, and the sound would carry over the lake towards Hinemoa. And she would listen to it every night sitting on Hinemoa's rock. So in this particular place where Hinemoa lived, there's this very giant stone. And she would sit on it every night and just listen to her dearly beloved play his flute. And she was getting restless. She wanted to be with him. So what she did, she tried again. This time she took with her hue. So calabashes. So we've got one here, one between her legs, and one up here. So she took calabashes with her down to the shore, and from that she tied them to her body, took all her clothes off, and she swam the 3-mile journey over to the lake, over to the island. She made it, but when she got to the island, she was cold, shivering, and trying to find a nice place to get warm. And she came across a hot spring called Waikimi here, and which I've, had the pleasure of, bathing in as well, and many others have before me. And Tutanekai noticed this figure, sneaking around. Like, who could this be? And so he snuck up on Hinemoa at the hot spring and was ready to strike her, and to his absolute surprise, it was the one person he wanted to be with. And long story short, a lot of the people from around this area within Rotorua are descendants of that union as well. So yeah, they ended up, getting together, living the rest of their lives with each other, and having a family of their own. So that's kind of the story that I'm going to depict through the carving for my wife. So we're just carving Hinemoa first, so the female. So there's going to be the female side of this this ring box, and then the male side, which will be underneath. I only asked because I saw the Aussie pin. Nah, it's all good. One of my mates sent it to me from Aussie. So yeah, well, pretty much got the top bit done. Now we have to do everything around this. But have no fear, I have an idea. So that's basically what this piece is gonna represent. Basically, in hindsight, yeah, love is the main thing it's gonna highlight, and it's mine and my wife's wedding anniversary next month, our first year. Well, that's a much nicer ending than Romeo and Juliet. Yeah, I'll play the song after this. Yeah, so we've got the top done, all of that. And the challenge for me with this piece is gonna be carving a female face. Or a human face, I should say. Human faces were never really a big thing for me. Because one of my ancestors wasn't a big fan of it too. So it kind of carried on through us as well, through like his descendants. So human faces didn't necessarily start getting carved until the missionaries came. Obviously, some of my people, you know, converted to Christianity, and then there are some that didn't, you know. So that's when, yeah, the human faces started getting carved by some of my ancestors. But my ancestor in particular said, no, I don't like human faces. It's not traditional. And yeah, it's kind of carried on, carried through me too, to this generation. Like, I don't mind carving it, but yeah, all in all, I'd rather not. But I'm gonna do it because it's a good challenge. It'll be a nice challenge. What I'm gonna do is so we're gonna start doing some faces, chat. So yeah, I want to leave nothing untouched on this piece. Like, I want everything to try and be carved and put, you know, try and put power shell all over it. Because my wife asked, can you put a lot of power shell on it, please? I was, oh, okay, I'll try. Yeah, so we'll do that. So this section is going to obviously be the representation for Te Taha Wahine. I better tell my brother, I don't think I'm going to be able to come and see you, my bro. So I'm just messaging my brother. He moko puna wai ariki e. He moko puna wai ariki e. Alright. So you can kind of see what we've done. We have a Manaya face here. One Hui, another one, and a third. I only like to do about 3 mechs. 3 is kind of like the number in Whakairo. Oh, that might be a bit too hard. Trying to do a little face here, chip. Just taking a photo. Okay, we gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this, chat. Oh, where's my kid's pencil sharpener? Oh, Oh man, this is gonna be hard, bro. What's up, 74? I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. Just been really busy, my bro. Really busy. Just prepping. Baby number 3 should be here next month. So next month is gonna be a very sleep lacking kind of month. But I've been I've been trying to stay up late just to get my body clock ready, just so my wife doesn't have to do long night stints with the kid. Yeah, little one should be here next month, guys. So if you randomly see me, you randomly see me go live, you randomly see me going live in the evenings, chat, is probably because I'm up looking after baby and I'm bored. Normally, like the first week of baby being born, I try and stay up as much as I can, just so my wife gets the optimum sleep, because she's the one that's going to be going through it after baby. One of my biggest fears as a husband, you know, after birth is postpartum depression. Not for myself, but for my wife. So that's something I, you know, take very seriously, just so my wife will be all good in the long run. Oh, to no hope. Yeah, that's always like the main concern for me, always. No way. So I'm just currently doing some Manaya faces on the side, chat. Ooh. Also, find out if you can help us out with the daily sub goal. It would be much appreciated too. It's looking like a bit of a rough one today, but I'll do my best. Oh, he did it. Oh boy, that's better. Oh, we're circle here. Oh man. How we doing, Fano? Lurk vibes. You chilling today? Sorry if it's because I'm not talking. That could be partly my fault because I get a bit too locked in. Oh, jeez. Sure, Leo. Kia ora, bro. How's your evening? Oh, bit on the morning side for me, my brother, but it's going good. It's going good. Just trying to get the drawing side of this carving out of the way now. Time zones, yeah, brother, yeah. Sure, brother Ed, how are you, my bro? Yeah, not too bad, mother, bro. Just busy as usual, brother. Trying to do bloody 10 things at once. All the bloody time, my bro. All the bloody time. But hopefully we can get all this drawing out the way today. Kia ora, Brad Jill, all the way from the UK. Over on YouTube. Orange it. Some subliminal manawas going on in here. What's up, KN? Kia ora from Canada. Cheer, my bro. Relaxing evening, watching is this rugby practice? Oh yeah. Man, I ain't played rugby in goddamn years, man. I think what we'll do for this side, so you can kind of see that we've got a manaya going on here. Mouth, eye, head, body. A body going on and some legs, but I'm gonna make the head on this side different. I must say your art is beautiful. Hey, thank you, brother. Just try and do my best, my bro. Just try and do my best. How you, Mr. Machine? What up? How long is this body? Ooh, I don't like that. Hold up. Oh, I could make it work. Let's just see what it looks like fully drawn. If I don't like it, then edit. Kia ora, I've always wanted to know, when working with a skill such as carving, how do you deal with muscle fatigue? The truth is, brother, you don't really use much effort. The only thing, like, when it comes to your chisels and your mallet, you're just using the weight of it, eh? You're not actually, like, full on, you know, holding on, bro. It's like loose as, just, like, holding it loose. I'm not going hard. I've never really felt fatigue in Whakairo. Yeah, I've never really, like, so, like, pretending this is, like, me, like, full on grasping my mallet. It's like, I keep it pretty loose and let the weight of the mallet do the work for me. How long did it take you to get into making cool stuff like this? Whew. I don't know. Like, I've been carving since I was 12. I'm 33 now. So a wee while. This is for my wife. She was the one who's finally asked for carving. Took her about 9 years to finally ask for one. Yeah, like with Whakairo as well, it definitely is a family thing. I'll say that much. But I didn't know that till later in my life. Like I was aware of it on my grandfather's side. Sorry, chat. But it runs even deeper on my grandmother's side, like way deeper. Like I'm talking like 4th generation carver as well. But since the last one, to me, there's been like a big gap, a big generation gap within my family. And it was pretty much my grandfather, who's the chief of our tribe, that when he found out about it, I received a family heirloom that he'd been holding on to till, you know, eventually the next carver in the family came along. And it belonged to a very prominent ancestor of mine, or of ours, mine and his, I should say. Thank you, brother. Yeah, when he found out, he goes, bring that boy to my house. That's what my grandfather said to my mum. And then that's when he said moko. So moko means grandson or grandchild. And that's when he set me down, spoke about the history of this thing that I received. And then he goes, now it's been handed to you. And the one thing he told me was hold on to it till you find the next one in our family. At first, when he handed me this heirloom, so it's a toki or ads. Yeah, at first when he handed it to me, I was like, oh, whew, I ain't worthy of that koro. Well, I don't think so anyway. And he goes, it's for that reason that you are. And with my grandfather, he is the chief of our tribe. It's kind of like, you know, my word is law kind of thing. Or like he has, you know, a lot of respect amongst our tribe, like a lot. And he's like in his late 90s. It was pretty much him that convinced me to do it, to take it. So I did.
Tōkau tauna rangatira, ari mā wakarua. Nō nā tau o te whātekau. Ka whakatūhia e apanui iwi tō mātau tipuna whare a tūkāki. Nā waia, ka pau nā moni, a e pau tonu ana i tēnei rā. Ka puta te tono a tāpirana, ki te motu ki a whinahia mai. O whakautu a tau atono, eri mā wakarua, i o tia i te whare. No reira taranaki e manaki nei a mātau tēnei rā. I roto i ngā tau, tēnei te mihi ake kia koutou. E te iwi, a me mutu nā kōrero i kone. Nā tētahi o koutou a hau i mākutu, i te mea kai te whrungia hau i tēnei rā. No reira tēnā koutou.
Not from South Africa, it's midnight, gonna watch when I wake up. All good, brother. The VOD will be up when I'm done. Legit. I'm pretty happy with where our progress with this so far, and gotten a lot of it done today, which is good. So what I'm trying to do with these manaya here, so you can see them there, I'm trying to make it out as if they're swimming, like a freestyle looking form. So one arm under, one arm over kind of thing. So that's kind of, is it like a cup? So this is one piece, so there's other pieces outside that I haven't actually finished yet. Oh, it's like molded and ready to be drawn. But I just wanted to make sure we got the female side of it done first.
Ai rongo kau, I te huhua o ngā wea takaraua hou. Tito e tā tīmoti te kāina ki aroha mai he tawhito tēnei. He kuare no mātau ki te tito wai ata hau hoi ato. Tau atu ai te kiingi Maori, ki whanga prawa mai tawits. I mua tatau te uruta. Hi reira, ata ko te whākai. Nā te whai whārira ki te ringa tū. Hea hoi anei te tikanga, o te kupu nei. O tā whiri mātea, te tangata tūpuru o te motu. Anei, te wakautu.
Legit. This is gonna be a handy one, chat. Oh my days, bro. Much love from Texas, say my brother. Cause all my exes live in Texas. That's why I hang my head in Tennessee. Hey. Oh, we. Oh, shit. The bearded cactus, son, my brother. Alrighty. So we got face there, body, arm on that side, leg, in between. We have the hue or the calabashes right there, on between the legs too, that Hinemore used to swim. And then Manaya there. And we have Manaya through the outer brim as well, so you can see. Head there. Head there. Another head there. Try to make it look like they were swimming. I don't know if the outer brim is solidified yet. Because I got two heads there. And then I got one random one in the middle there. Let me get the other one. There it is. And then we still have to do the male side of it as well. The spit on the male side will stay flat because, you know, that's kind of where, you know, it has to sit so it don't wobble. Kia ora, TT. How you doing? I'm doing all good. It's a bit of a quiet day on the stream today. But, I'm still going to power through. Looks kind of nice. Sorry, just looking at it over it. Hey man, it's been a while since I watched the stream. What's new? Wedding anniversary next week. Wedding anniversary next week. Birth of third child next month. So yeah, it's been a bit busy, so a lot of prep for the baby. And just trying to sort a few things out for the wedding. Time has flown by really fast, man. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't expect to, you know. I didn't expect to get done this quick. But I gotta say, it's been good. It's been good. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe the outer brim might change, chat. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I want it to just be 3 figures. Yeah, it's just thinking about it right now. So I may rub it all out, like the bodies, and do the heads again. So it kind of looks all the same. What's up, True? Yeah, I think we redo it, chat. I'm just not a fan of this one random part. Is it gonna have a handle? Just open lifting, brother. I'll carve so I'll carve the outer brim of this one. So we'll cut all of this out. And then put a lip on this one so it just can slot in, pretty much. Oh, yeah, true. So let's rub these bodies out. It looks cool, like, there's nothing wrong with it, but for me it's just random that there's like one random head on the other side. So we'll just run that back a bit. Started turning on the lathe and wooden bowl for some. Oh, nice, brother. That sounds on. Go. Oh. Ahua thike tēnei waha. Hold on. Well, it's about time to punch the clock. All good, my brother. Have a good sleep, eh? Ka kite, my bro, and thank you for tuning in. the fact that we're doing these 2 heads now makes me feel better. Yeah, that makes me feel way better doing the big head. Like doing 2 heads instead of like the random input. Thank you everyone that's viewing today too. If you can help out with the daily sub goal too, whānau, it'd be much appreciated. But all in all, I hope you're all enjoying the stream today. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Where are we? Oh, jeez. Nah, you're good, my bro. I know you're jamming Monster Hunter. Wait, how far are you in that game anyway? You must be almost finished, eh? Bro, I haven't had any time to play Monster Hunter, eh? Did he want to say it to me in one cry? Ain't no way, brother. I think I'm around mid-game, not quite. Oh, okay. Good. Why the fuck is this not actioning? Hold up. Fuck, that drum is annoying. I don't know why, babe, but for the last couple of days I've been smelling the smell of burning. I don't know why. But there's no burning thing in I can see. Yo, brother Mahalo. Are you my brother? Kia ora, my bro. Hope you're looking after yourself, brother. Yo, what up, Rio? That's a Claret? Are you? Oh, bro. I won't lie, bro. I'm a bit tired, eh? But, self-inflicted, really. I've been trying to stay up late. Trying to do the late stints and get ready for this baby. Get ready for this baby, my bro. Do these L shifts so my wife can sleep good. I'm excited. I won't lie, I'm excited to have another newborn in the house. It's something we haven't felt in a while, or something we haven't really, been around in a while. Hold up, my wife just messaged me. Sorry, I just got a message from my wife. Bro, both our kids graduated from these swimming classes, so they're going up to the next one, and it's throwing a bit of a cog in the works with our with our bloody schedules that we normally have. Sure, brother JT. Alright, so let's do this here now. Oh. Why the fuck is that longer? Oh no, it's not. I was like, bro, am I throwing myself off right now? God damn. This eye is too small, that's what's throwing me off. God damn it. Gotta make an electric boogaloo biggie. Ah, nah, there we go. Oh my days. That's confusing my damn self. What's up, Ray Can? How you, brother? Sorry if I'm a bit loud too, chat. Let me know if I'm talking too loud. I naturally have a loud voice, so sometimes I gotta like tone it down. Okay, how are we gonna do this now, chat? What's up, my brother? How are you? Bro, I got invited to the Waz game on Friday, but I can't go. If they hit me up early in the week, maybe. Hey Brooks, was wondering if you'd be able to join us this Friday for the Warriors x Eagles match in Go Media Stadium. Kia ora whānau, I'd love to, but I have plans with my whānau this weekend. Yeah, oh, awesome. We are so pleased she's a fan. Would you like to be interested in being on the podcast another time? Yes, please, if I can bring my daughter as well. If I can give a free chat, double Hugh. Just wondering how we can do these bodies, chat. So, as we have 2 faces here, 2 faces there. Now, what I'm trying to figure out is how we can intertwine the bodies of these 4 faces. Never mind, I got an idea. Yeah, I've got an idea. How are you, Radio Star? So as you can see, I'm doing a manoa line. So to like, just to connect them both. Move it over a little. This haka talks about, you know, the dangers of AI for our culture. AI. Supporting users for appreciate you, brother. Let me check what home games the Warriors have. Home games. April. April, Warriors and the Broncos. Hey, witty.
Mai piripiri mā, he pai rāna I tēnei wiri. Angi tau, e wiri! Whoa, hey, yeah!
Sub car 4. Oh, okay. Hold on now.
E koro huirangi. Mate nei koe I te wā te kōwhioi. Ki hai te iwi tai atu. Ki te tangihi a koe. E koro.
He's playing Coco.
Kura mai. Kua tae mai ngā iwi o te motu. O te ao. Ki ngā reke reke. Hoto maunga. Agati e koro. Anei ko tō poroporo aki. Kamutu. Kai hea he poroporo aki. Rangatira ke atu. I te taenga mai. O ngā iwi o te motu. Ki te wāhi kotahi. Hui a te rangi. Hui a te whenua. E koro. Anei tō wai.
I need to figure out all the... I sold my Valorant account today for 150 euros. Dang. I must say though, Valorant is not as popular as it used to be, in my opinion. Yeah, that's way better. So what I did was just made a full body, like one whole body, and off branches of the arms, you know, and the legs as well. Feels more natural doing it that way, I won't lie. So what I was going off was this. So this is a carving of Hinemoa and Tutanekoi. So that's like one of the most renowned carvings of the two. From South Africa. Thanks for giving such an amazing, wholesome content. Are you a rugby fan? Yeah, my bro. Yeah, I love rugby, brother. Not sure if I'm going to be supporting any New Zealand team for Super Rugby, though, after the way Fiji and Drua was treated. Yeah, I'm not a fan of how they were mistreated on their flight here. And then they got transported on a pickup truck to their hotel. I was not a fan of that. Definitely. So, yeah, I don't think I'm going to be supporting any NZ team this year. I'm going to be supporting Fiji. Because the way they were mistreated, bro, that's not on. It was sad to see. Oroha. Wait, what? Please stop. No, no, no. Let me try and find a photo. I'm trying to find it. Found it. So this is what happened. So they all had to be transported in the back of a pickup truck to their accommodation, and I'll be honest, man, not a fucking fan of that. I must swear, just to tell you how much I hate that. So I don't think, yeah, I'm supporting any NZ team today. I'm going to support Fiji and Moana Pacifica. Oh, I love that song. I'm gonna play it again. Yeah, that was awful. Simply they couldn't get a bus for 4 hours when NZ Rugby getting one. Yeah, bro. That's all like, nah, fuck NZ Rugby, bro. Treat guests with the utmost respect that come to our country. And that's not how you do it. Huggy! Yay! Our second sub of the day. Fuck me. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Did that pop up on the screen at all? There we go. Thank you, man. Thank you, Hagi. Where are you? What a beautiful song. Pamaito aroha. One more time, run it back. Totally shocked and yeah, bro, me too. I was too, man. NZ Rugby boasts about being professional, but you know, when they do dumb shit like that, they can suck a dick covered in cheese, man. Just saying. Yeah, but ooh. I'm just saying, that's how much I don't like what they did. Any other teams you support? Scotland, the Springboks, Samoa, Fiji, and Tonga. Outside of, you know, my country, Sia Khaleesi's my favourite player. More so has come up, like, from humble beginnings. And now, you know, he's become a decorated captain within the Springboks culture and the history of the team. And I absolutely love that for him. And my other favourite is Eben Esteban. I apologise to my South African family if I say that wrong. You know. Jay with a cheesecake. Stop by to drop in and say hi. All good, my brother. You do your thing, eh? Appreciate you, my brother. Now we gotta fully draw the other one, shit. Inohora, kakiteke, and yeah, I think we'll be finishing up soon as well. I'm glad we got the female one done though. Let me take a photo for my wife so she can get. Ooh, what is it? Pamaito aroha. This is the Hinemoa side of your carving, and I'll do the two Tanekai side another day. Hold on, chat. What's good, chat? What's good? What's good? I'm all drawn out. Chat. I think I'm done with pencil today. How we doing? So I gotta play that's my jam, bro. I gotta play it again. Well, brother, if you ever plan to come to South Africa, come stand in Durban, would be an absolute pleasure to have you. And you go to the Shark Stadium and meet the players. Like, oh really? Oh, bro, I'd love to go there one day, though. I'd love to meet Sia, mainly just to talk about, just to have a chat. Not so much about what did you do in life, what did you get up to. Just kind of like having a conversation, just like now. When it comes to like all the famous people I've met, I don't really try and like, oh, what's your dream of success? Oh, how are you, bro? How have you been? Have you been looking after yourself? Just like a genuine conversation is kind of what I aim for. Now, chat, we have to look for... Also, we got to look at what home game we want to go to for the Warriors. Yeah, bro, yeah. I'll definitely be keen to do something like that, but probably be with my wife. Yeah. Definitely would be with my wife, for sure. Righto, Pano. YouTube, I'm going to finish up for now. Thank you very much for joining me today, YouTube. The VODs from all the carvings that I've done are being posted weekly because Twitch is removing 100 hours worth of stream time or VODs within my channel or within everyone's channels, really. So I'm just going to upload all of them there. On top of the podcast stuff too, I shoot my first episode tomorrow. So I'm going to set up the scenes and everything for that and shoot that. Hopefully within the morning section of the day. So I'll shoot that and hopefully... Cheers, Sonny! Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a podcast this year. I want to try new things this year. I don't just want to be wood carving 365 days of the year. I've done that for 4 years. So, yeah, I need to switch up in my life just, to keep things fun, But have no fear, I will be streaming regardless. What's the YouTube? It's just Brox. Brox, in the search bar. You'll see my face. Wait, exclamation mark socials. I've got a gaming YouTube as well, but don't worry about that. I'm still trying to get my head around that. Oh yeah, it just takes you straight there. Hey, what up, hey, what up? Alright, Davey, that is gonna be me. GG's, thank you very much for the aroha today. Thank you for watching, whether you're on YouTube or on Twitch today. What's the plan tomorrow? So I'm gonna get this podcast episode out the way tomorrow. Depending on what time we finish, will determine whether I can carve tomorrow. Because I would really like to start this part of our carving for my wife's box to wear ring. But for now, love yous all. Appreciate yous all. Look after yourselves. Thank you very much to the 2 people that subbed today. Appreciate yous. And the follows today as well. Have a good one. I'm going to send you to one of the mods who's just returned to streaming as of today. So have a good one. Love yous all. I'll see yous later. Ngā mihi. Have a good one.